How to lock WhatsApp with Face ID or Fingerprint. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you the easy method and the quick way to lock your WhatsApp with Face ID or Fingerprint to make your WhatsApp application more private. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you will know how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open WhatsApp app on your device. Once you open it, simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now on this drop-down menu box, select the Settings option. And once you get access to this page, you need to simply select the option of Privacy. And once you're on this privacy page, you need to scroll all the way down and select the App Lock option. Simply on the top, you will see the option of Unlock with Biometrics. So simply need to enable this button. Now you need to scan your fingerprint and easily toggle on the button. When enabled, you will need to use fingerprint, face, or other unique identifiers to open WhatsApp. So if you wish to automatically lock immediately, you can select immediately, or you can also select after 1 minute or 30 minutes according to your wish. And if you wish to show content in notification, you can toggle the button on, otherwise you can toggle off the button. So that is how we easily lock WhatsApp with Face ID or Fingerprint. If you wish to see it, then you can easily open the WhatsApp app again and check. As you can see that we need to use the fingerprint to unlock app. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.